Have you ever wondered how pharmaceutical companies get their powdered food supplements into hospitals and clinics? It's not just about having a good product, it's about strategy, one that often walks a fine ethical line. In hospitals, patients rely on the expertise of nutritionists to guide them towards better health. These nutritionists are supposed to ensure that people get the right amount of calories, vitamins, and nutrients. But here's where things get complicated. Pharmaceutical companies have found a way to enter this vital space. They provide nutritionists to hospitals for free. Sounds great, right? A win-win situation. The hospital gets help and the company gets exposure for their product. But there's more beneath the surface. While some of these nutritionists may be qualified, many times they're actually pharmacists. And while pharmacists are trained in drugs and medications, they aren't typically experts in caloric assessments, micronutrient needs, or the specific requirements of malnourished patients. Yet these pharmacists are put in hospitals under the guise of being nutrition experts. Their primary goal? Not necessarily patient health, but sales. Their task is to promote the company's powdered food supplement as the solution for patients, even when it may not always be the most suitable option. It's a subtle form of influence. By positioning their own employees inside the hospital, pharmaceutical companies are pushing their products directly to patients through people they trust, healthcare professionals. But can we really trust advice that's fueled by corporate profits? Think about it. If the person advising you doesn't fully understand your nutritional needs, how can they recommend the best solution? This practice raises serious concerns about the quality of care patients are receiving, and it doesn't stop in the hospital. These recommendations push families to spend more money on supplements they may not even need. In some cases, these products could be doing more harm than good. It's all part of a larger system where pharmaceutical companies prioritize sales over health. They're in the business of selling after all. We need to question this approach. Should healthcare decisions be driven by sales tactics? It's time for us, as patients and consumers, to demand better. Hospitals should be a place for healing, not for selling. And healthcare professionals, whether they are nutritionists, pharmacists, or doctors, should be making decisions based on what's best for the patient, not what's best for a corporation. So the next time you see a powdered supplement being recommended, ask yourself, who's really benefiting? Is it you, or is it the pharmaceutical company? Let's stay informed. Let's stay healthy.